YouTube. This is just a quick update video. I'm just compiling these clips here because I don't like to just talk to the camera, but I wanted to give an update to all the saddle purchasers from monkeybeaver.com. There are over 60 saddles back ordered, and it gets a little uncomfortable and embarrassing to be back ordered that far, but people keep buying them, and it's a quality product. Takes a bit to make it. Anyway, those are for us on time, and we expect to be mailing them at the end of next week, and also the beginning of the following week. I wanted to bring it up because just in case somebody doesn't know, there is a wait, and if you have to get a saddle quick, then you probably have to buy something else, because we can't get them made fast enough to keep up with how many sell. Supply and demand. So that's that, and then also we get all of our inventory in next week for the Speedline kit. So that's gonna pop next week too, which is really cool. We also have a suspender coming out soon, and I'm not gonna say next week because we're working on the prototype. We have one prototype made, and then the other one, what hopes to be the final prototype, is almost done. We're gonna look at it, give the okay, and that's an in-house project that we should be able to crank those out, and they'll go well with the harness. A lot of people like suspenders, want suspenders, and want the ability to have a place for instead of using a neck tether or whatever. So we're gonna have that soon. And is that it? Let's see. The harness is gonna start shipping next week. The Speedline kit, we're gonna have that wrapped up next week. And we got suspenders coming. And don't buy a belt unless you're okay with somewhat of a weight. Oh yeah, the bars, the custom bars. The guy that does that for me was on a fire all summer, and then the fires went clear into the winter. So anyway, that a real uncomfortable long wait for that, and we won't do that again. We won't. We'll only sell them when they're in stock. We won't have those be a pre-order item, I don't think, because that's too long of a wait. But yeah, that's about to come true too. So there's the update video. Thanks for watching. We'll be sure to have some more content soon, crane videos and stuff. We're having a blast, and what you see here is just more of the day-to-day grind of us being tree dudes and having fun.